If you have small eyes, here's an eyeshadow that's gonna make your eyes pop. Small eyes, I think you're gonna love this look. I think it's gonna make your eyes look big and bright and beautiful. It gives great definition without it being too overly shimmery. All you need is one cream eyeshadow, one eyeshadow palette, and one eyeliner. That's all you need. Let's do it together. This eye look is truly stunning. I love that it gives the optical illusion that your eye is much bigger, you have much more lid space, and you have a larger eye socket. But it's not fully shimmery, so even my matte lovers, you might still like this as well. You don't have to use shimmer. You can still use a matte color if you just go lighter on the top lid. Anyways, we'll get into it. Okay, so first, start out with a cream shadow. This is the RMS Eyelights in Strobe. You don't have to use a cream shadow as well. You can just use a powder shadow, but I just wanted it to be a little bit more shimmery. I wanted it to be a little bit more opaque. I wanted that shimmer to just kind of really sit on my eye, like be very, very bright and noticeable. So I'm just going to take this. You can do this with your fingertip. I'm going to go all the way from my lash line, and I'm just going to pull up. Whatever eye shape you have, we're just going to go up past the crease. You don't have to go all the way to the brow like I did, but why not? Why not? Look, you can even leave it just like that. That is absolutely stunning. It dries a little bit quick, so I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to blend it out first. And then I'm going to take, just to make sure that it's extra bright, extra shimmery, I'm going to take this color here in this MAC Connecting Color eyeshadow palette in Unfiltered Nudes. Okay, so it's this one just here. It's a little bit silvery, it's a little bit shimmery, but I like that both of these colors are nice and cool toned, but they're not just silver. It's almost like a silvery taupe. So it still gives great dimension to the eyes. It still makes your eyes pop, but it's not going to be something that's just kind of like a flat silver gray. Yeah, I love it. You can wear it day and night. Super glamorous. I had a few people who watch my stories say, can you do something a little bit more glamorous? Well, I think that you might like this. It's very glamorous. It's very beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that. I went all the way up to my eyebrow because truly, truly beautiful. So glamorous. You can just put on mascara. You don't have to do anything else if you don't want to. It's very eye-opening. It's very bright, very big-eyed looking. Yes, I love that. If that's a phrase. Now, just take any black eyeliner. I really wanted my eyelashes to look thicker. I wanted the line to be quite small and very, very close to my lash line. I didn't want it to go up high at all or be a thick line. So this little small eyeliner, this is the Shiseido MicroLiner Ink in the color gray. I know these are very hard to get, but a lot of other people have said that there are alternatives. So just maybe search millimeter eyeliner. Could help. Okay, so I'm just going to start from here. And just stay as close as you can to your lashes, as close as you possibly can. You don't have to line all the way around, but I think it looks ultra glamorous. Can you see me? Look at that. Nice, thick, beautiful lashes. Look at that beautiful shape. Oh, it's like a movie star. It looks stunning. Then take your little smudgy brush, and I just like to kind of flatten out that eyeliner just to make it look like it's ultra natural, like it's just really nice thick eyelashes. It just blends in with the rest of your eyeshadow. It doesn't look like it's out of place or like it's just some big black line that you've just drawn. Look at that. Super ultra natural, very, very beautiful, very soft. Yay! Okay, then take your little domed blending brush. It's like a smudgy brush. This is what I like to call it. This is a very, very, very old one from Morphe. I would say this is from 2015. Still holds up. Goat. And I'm just going to take this color here. I think it's called Wedge. This is Wedge from MAC. Again, from that palette. From far away, wow, you can really see the brightness in the eye. You can really see how big and open your eye looks. That is absolutely stunning. And we're not going to go all the way around the eye with the eyeliner, so that's why we're taking Wedge, this color here, on this little dome brush. And what we're going to do, I'm sorry, I can't get super close to the camera like I used to because the setup is a little bit different now. So I'm going to just go like this, and I'm going to create a bigger socket with a color that's just a little bit darker than my natural skin tone. I'm going to go underneath my natural eye socket. I'm just going to create that shape. Oh, that is stunning, if I may say so myself. All right. One more time. I just like to really Make sure that you're gonna be able to see this socket. Yes. That looks so beautiful. Look at that. And something that I never do, but that is in the photo, is placing a little bit of shimmer here on the inner corner of the eye. The reason why I don't do it is because my eyes are close set. I have a narrow face, close set eyes. So if I put anything here kind of in the inner corner, your eyes kind of go here. So it makes my eyes look closer together. But no matter what, it's still a great way to kind of brighten and open up the eye. So it's okay. It's all right. Just do it, whatever. All right, so I'm just going to take it just a little bit here. And I'm just going to kind of press it just to create a little V. How cute. Look at that. Oh yeah, it just makes my whites of my eyes pop. Here's the finished look with no mascara. You just add mascara and you are done. You absolutely look like a pro with this eyeshadow look. Let's add mascara. Mascara is on. The mascara that I'm using is Booie Beauty, the You're Welcome tubing mascara. Very dry formula, stays on all day. Lashes look super, super long. Yeah, love it. Then I just took Wedge again, which is that same color, this one. And I actually just went like this, just right in my crease and right kind of up to the brow. I did the same thing on both sides, just to kind of make it look super cohesive from Wedge here and Wedge on the bottom. A wedgie. Yep, I love it. Super, super gorgeous. Much easier than you might think. Truly, just a few colors. You don't even have to use the cream shadow and the powder shadow. Just one will be enough. But why not go big or go home? I love the shimmer. I love it. I love how big and bright and beautiful your eyes look. Stunning! I truly hope that you enjoyed this look. If you have small eyes and you just want to make your eyes look big and bright and beautiful and you try this look, please let me know. If you have big eyes and you try this look and you love it, also, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.